Today I'm going to show you how to set up cart abandonment emails in Zenler and give you my exact script that I use. Doing this can increase your sales and it just takes seconds to set up. Let's hop right into it. All right, so here we are on my website. I'm going to get to the backside of my new Zenler, and then I am going to actually pop over to one of my other accounts because I already have cart abandonment emails turned on, and I want to show you from the get-go what it looks like. So with Zenler, you can have multiple business accounts on the paid versions. And so I'm in a totally separate business here that doesn't have a cart abandonment email set up yet. Okay, so the first thing, we are going to go to this site button here at the top. And then all we do is go over to where it says notification emails. And then you can see there is a toggle button here that says send a cart abandonment emails. And if it's turned off, obviously nothing's going to get sent. If we turn it on, then we slide it on, then we get to choose how quickly after someone visits, we get to set it. I like to do it right at the hour, and then we just click update. So now you have it turned on, but let's talk about editing the actual email that gets sent. So from here, all you need to do is go to this language button, and then we are going to scroll down to where it says system emails here. Okay, and then it says select an email, and we're going to go to cart abandonment email. Okay, and it's going to pull this one up for you, and then as you make edits to it, you just click save. There's at least 2 changes I would make to this right away. Okay, I would change the subject line, and then I would get rid of where it says hi student name. And then lastly, I would encourage you to make it sound more like yourself, like how you speak. That will go a long ways in people actually taking you seriously. Okay, so let me show you mine. Okay, so here we are inside my other business account, and you can see that I changed the subject line. Instead of saying complete your purchase now, I said, hey, ooh, do you want that? Because that sounds more like me. And then I got rid of the personalization here and just went, hey, I noticed that you didn't finish grabbing, insert the name. Do you have any questions for me? You're nearly there. Just click the link below to complete your order. And then you put in the plan and all that. And then I just have my name here. Okay. Other things that you could consider adding, you could add a PS that use promo code, save 5 to save $5 on your purchase in the next hour, right? So you could create a coupon with a Zenler that works for all of your products and use it and put it in here if you wanted to do that, okay? I'll record how to set up coupon codes and promo codes in another video for you. After you make any changes, make sure you click the save button, okay? So it says template save successfully. So now if we pop back over to just one of my courses, let me open one up. Let's say I'm going to grab my stories workshop and I go to the checkout page. So let me click here, open this in a new. So here's my checkout page. And I have a YouTube video on how to make one-page sales page checkout pages on Zenler. So here, this is for selling in Facebook and Instagram stories, get more people getting clicks and all that jazz. Okay, so if we scroll all the way down, here it is. So the cool thing is I visited this page, I didn't get it, I leave the page, and then guess what Zenler is going to do? Within an hour, Zenler sent me this email. You can see it right here popping up on the screen, and that is going to help boost your sales.